Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our Oceanview Room at Royalton Chic Resort on Antigua, so let's take a look. We just arrived on our cruise ship in the island of Antigua in the Caribbean today. And it's our first time at a Royalton Chic Resort. Then this is our room. It's just gorgeous. Great big spacious room with 2 queen beds. Beautiful artwork above the headboards, and it's backlit. I have this lovely ceiling fan. More artwork on the walls. This resort is all adults and all inclusive, and we're thrilled to be here. The beds are not lofted, but that's fine. Got plenty of room for our luggage. Over here by the bed, we've got a night table with US and USB plugs, and our own thermostat and light switches. And we've got a drawer here for storage space and more storage space under the night table. 2 big, beautiful queen-size beds, as I said. Over here we've got a coffee and tea service. And the resort is all-inclusive. So it includes all of your beverages, 24/7 room service. We have a butler as well. Got a little dresser here with plenty of storage space. Got a mini fridge, which is stocked and included with the beverages of your choice, which is very nice. Got a nice bench here for our luggage and more storage underneath the bench. And this is nice. This was here when we arrived. It's room spray, so a nice fragrance to add to your room. More plugs underneath the TV. Got a USB plug and 2 more US plugs. Nice, great big flat screen TV and a nice mirror there. Got this lovely table with 2 stools and a setup for snacks and an apple there. And then this is a lovely bottle of French champagne that they left for us as a welcome gift. And 2 more USB plugs and another US plug. So plugs galore. Oh, and over here we also have reading lights above the bed on both sides, which are very nice. So you can have your own private reading light if you want to read late at night. Here's our gorgeous balcony overlooking the beach and the pool. So there's Jackie.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
This is gorgeous. It's a beautiful afternoon here.
Oh yeah. So 2 comfortable chairs and a coffee table. And it's a gorgeous view of 2 pools and the ocean right there. You can hear the music. They're having a party in one of the pools. And there's the other rooms in the resort. So just gorgeous. Beautiful day here in Antigua. So coming back inside the room. Back over by the door are the closets. So we have 2 closets with a full-length mirror on both closet doors. So you've got a blanket there if you want to use it, a blow dryer, a safe for your valuables, and 2 more drawers for more storage space and another shelf. And then on the other side, there's our luggage, taking up some of the space, but plenty of space for hanging garments, longer garments. Got a couple of robes we can use while you're here, and some slippers. So a nice big closet. And then just opposite the closet is the bathroom. So very nice. Got a single vanity with plenty of storage underneath the sink. Got a makeup mirror and a backlit mirror. And a nice big walk-in shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand and amenities there on the wall. So very nice, great big walk-in shower. And the facilities, of course. Gorgeous Oceanview Room at Royalton Chic Resort in Antigua. So when you're ready to book your next sailing into or out of Antigua, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.